Coming forward now is Kiss Me. And they're at the gates, ready for racing. Race number 12. Racing just started. We have Mangaro first to show quickness at the start, moving up on the outside. Ward Atlas, Kiss Me in the middle portion. Alam mo na yan, Gobelis, Easter Hope, Pandemonium, Don Dons, and Renzi Stays comes next. Storm, then down on the inside is Star Turk in the middle portion. Magic Q, Chapel Guard, while Shut Up is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. We have Ward Atlas now takes command, moving up on the outside. Pandemonium, Mangaro in the middle portion. Kiss Me is racing in fourth. Gobelis, Easter Hope. Then here comes Renzi Stays now moving up on the outside. Don Don's entry, alam mo na yan, starter Storm, then followed by Magic Q. Next on line now is Shut Up, while Chapel Guard now racing in 14th. And at the far turn, we have Ward Atlas by a length and a half. Pandemonium in second. Mangaro, Gobelis. Then here comes Renzi Stays now moving up on the outside as they swing for home. We have Ward Atlas by only a length and a half. Moving up now on the outside is Renzi Stays, and now saying, it's my turn to take the lead. Last 100 meters, we have Renzi Stays now saying goodbye to Mangaro, and finally it's Renzi Stays, Mangaro. Then comes number 9, Don Don's entry. Alam mo na yan, starter, Kiss Me.
13-2-9-6-1-14.
Right, yun ang sinabi ni Chris. 13-2,